Passive design windows. In this section, we need to enter the shading devices for the windows. So please refer to this diagram that shows the windows in blue and the different shading elements of the windows. We have horizontal overhangs above the window, and they can be offset a bit, so that means they are placed a bit higher than the upper edge of the window, which is shown here. We can also have vertical fins that are placed next to the window, and they will have some depth and will be spaced apart by a certain distance. So we have this table that shows all the 20 facades, and that's of course a lot of numbers to be typed in. So to make it easy, we allow you to take a typical facade. Let's say it's a main facade, basically the top facade here. You type in the values and then you can click copy from main facade to all. So in this case, this building has a window to wall ratio of 0.4. So that means 40% of the windows of the facade consists of windows. The window width in this building is 1 meter. The window height is correct, it's 1.5, so we'll leave that be. Then we have the overhang of the horizontal shading. So the overhang is 1 meter. It has no offset because it is completely aligned with the upper edge of the window. But we have a side fin that is not so big, 0.2, and they are spaced 3 meters apart. So we'll copy that information to all the rest of the facades. So this is done, and this can save you a lot of typing. But then you can individually go in and change each of the facades. And if you don't remember what exactly was facade 2, you can always go back to facade dimensions, check back on the drawing, and for example in this case facade 2 to 5 didn't have any windows, so we can go back and enter that. So basically we didn't have a window. For technical reasons you are not allowed to put a 0 here, so therefore we just put in a small value. So you just have to put 0.01, which is basically very close to 0. So simulation wise it's effectively a 0 window facade. And once that's 0, then all the rest doesn't really matter because there's no window to shade. And then you can do that along the same principles for the rest of the building. So once you are ready, once you have entered all that information, we click Next.